Imagine if light could travel infinitely fast. No delay, no distance, no time between cause and effect. You flick a switch, and the light reaches the other side of the universe instantly. Sounds cool, right? Now, imagine a world where your message arrives before you send it, where someone gets hit by a bullet before the gun is fired, where time doesn't flow, it collapses. This isn't just science fiction. This is what would happen. If light could travel faster than 299,792,458 meters per second. Today on Unfiltered Universe, we're diving into one of the most mysterious and misunderstood truths in all of physics. Why can't light go any faster than this exact speed? And why does that number, 299 million meters per second, hold the entire universe together? Let's break it down. Light is made up of particles called photons. They have no rest mass. That's why they're able to move at the fastest speed allowed in the universe. But here's the catch. They can't go any faster. And nothing with mass can even reach that speed. Why? Because of Einstein's special relativity. As something with mass speeds up, it needs more and more energy to keep going. And the closer it gets to the speed of light, the more that energy requirement skyrockets. To actually reach the speed of light, you'd need infinite energy. And going beyond that, not just impossible, it would break the laws of physics. But it doesn't stop there. If anything could go faster than light, we wouldn't just break energy laws, we'd break time itself. It's called causality, the rule that a cause must happen before its effect. But if faster than light travel was real, you could send a signal that arrives before it's sent. The effect could happen before the cause. Reality would stop making sense. Imagine you fire a gun, and someone gets hit before you even pull the trigger. Or flipping a light switch, and the bulb glows before your finger even moves. This isn't just confusing, it's catastrophic. The universe is stitched together by spacetime, the link between space and time, and the speed of light is what keeps that fabric stable. Break that limit, and the entire structure could unravel. Time might not flow forward anymore. Events could reverse. Reality would scramble. Now take it one step further. If light speed were infinite, then light would take zero time to travel anywhere, which means every event in the universe would happen at the same time. No before, no after, no sequence, just chaos. And even worse, to go faster than light, you'd need infinite energy. But if you could somehow do that, you could also extract infinite energy from anything. That would destroy the conservation of energy, one of the most fundamental laws in physics. And without that, there's no stability, no science, no logic, no universe. So that number, 292,458 meters per second, isn't just a measurement, it's the law. It's the maximum speed for everything, energy, information, and even time itself. If light could go faster, we wouldn't just break the speed limit, we'd break reality itself. If this blew your mind, hit like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Because here on Unfiltered Universe, we don't just explain science. We reveal the laws that hold existence together.